Today, you're going to learn how to add machine learning. Key levels, quick and easy guide. In this walkthrough, we're going to keep everything simple, clear, and beginner friendly, so you can follow along without feeling rushed or overwhelmed. By the end of this short session, you'll know exactly how to locate the indicator, apply it to your chart, and understand what to expect once it loads. Start by opening Tradingview and making sure you're on the chart you want to analyze. It can be any market you choose, whether you're looking at Forex, crypto, stocks, or indices. What matters is that the chart is active, so the indicator attaches to the right place. Once the chart is ready, look toward the top of the screen where the main toolbar sits. Here, you'll see the indicators button. This is your entry point to accessing thousands of scripts created by the platform and the community. Click on the indicators button to open the full indicators menu. A panel will appear, and at the top of that panel, you will notice a search bar. This is where you can quickly filter through all available indicators without manually scrolling through long lists. Inside the search box, type the word machine. As soon as you begin typing, Tradingview will automatically narrow down the results based on what you enter. This is helpful because it ensures you're able to find the right tool, even if you're not sure where it's located within the categories. After the results update, you should see machine learning key levels appear in the list. Take a moment to double check the name so you know you're selecting the correct one. Once you confirm it, click on machine learning key levels. The moment you click, the Tradingview will load the indicator and place it onto your chart. You may notice new lines or levels appear right away. These levels are generated using machine learning calculations designed to highlight areas where price has reacted or may potentially react in the future. Give the indicator a second to finish loading, especially if your chart contains a lot of historical data. Once it's fully visible, take some time to observe how the levels align with previous market structure. This can help you get a feel for how the tool behaves and how it may guide your decision making as you continue analyzing price movement. That's all you need to do. You accessed Tradingview, opened the indicators menu, searched for machine, and selected machine learning key levels. With the indicator now applied, you're ready to explore how these levels fit into your overall trading plan.